Hi, this is John Bauer. I'm going to spend the next couple minutes taking you through some new features and functionality that we've been working on, especially around the idea of focusing and creating positive feedback loops that support and trigger the behaviors that create the successful students and ultimately increase retention and graduation rates. So much of our recent development work has been focused to this idea of creating cashless rewards or recognition that doesn't cost you anything. We started with, back in 2007, this idea of a virtual catalog that students could earn points through our clients for exhibiting the correct behaviors, whether it's homework or attendance, performance, and then they could use those points in our catalog to redeem for physical merchandise as well as virtual merchandise and gifting. They could do donations and get involved with having their parents receive a daily email of how they were doing at school. Recently, we've added this idea of non-redeemable points, or what we call experience points, what students typically see in the gaming environment. Very successful and very inexpensive. Students receive XP by completing behaviors and tasks that are associated with success in our clients' curriculum or courses. They earn these achievements, and each of the achievements has a level of XP associated with that, and that moves them up the leaderboard. Clients that are integrated with uBoost can create custom badges that are very focused not only to their art, but to their behaviors. And we can then share those behaviors within Facebook if they're over 13. And if they're younger than 13, their parents can share those achievements within Facebook. Their profiles have been enhanced. We've added the ability to customize avatar. And all of these items that you see, these features that you see on this list, are related to student motivations and color-coded to them below. So whether it's related to status or approval or achievement, we try to focus those development efforts and product roadmap around creating feedback loops that focus in on those motivations. The new avatar feature and functionality allows the student to come in and choose an avatar, a class of avatars: scientist, an executive, explorer, technologist. And then as they progress through your coursework, they'll level up and these accessories will become unlocked for them, and they'll be able to use their XP or their points to purchase these items and customize their avatar. And then the avatar shows up in various places within the uBoost interface and your interface. To attract the older students, high school and college, even adult learner, we've created a group of anime characters that are have been very popular with that age group. The younger students continue to be more focused to virtual pets and more animated and younger looking avatars and pets and environments. As you can see from some of these design themes, it remains the most successful thing within uBoost for students to use their points to create these environments and then share them with each other within a safe social atmosphere. There is no open chat, but students can share JPEGs of their animated environments with their friends. So this is one, again, cashless way for students to use their points and XP to do things that are really engaging and fun for them. We continue to have a physical catalog with merchandise, but even for those clients that don't have the budget to do merchandise and gift cards, we have contests and auctions where for less than or at a penny a point, students can enter the monthly contest for the many things that we have available for them. This adds a little sizzle to programs But remember that all of these features and functionality are customizable to your requirements. We're working hard on adding different ways to trigger the behavior. Right now, we email students, and we have a Facebook Connect piece, but we also have a widget now that's a client widget that sits within your student's user interface as a footer or a header and communicates with them, both encouraging messages, leaderboard status, points, XP, shows their avatar, all within a very small space, again, as a header or footer, and I'll show you that in a second. And this summer, we're adding SMS capabilities so we can text students, again, to encourage them, but also to recognize achievement if we aren't getting them to log in. The idea behind real-time recognition and this, what we call uBar, branded for client, sits as a, in this case, as a header, and student can come in and see as they're interacting with their environment or with their curriculum, they can see without leaving this user interface the badges they've earned. They can also see leaderboard status and FAQ, and then the link that takes them into the more dynamic and social environment for both redeeming and interacting with other students can be locked down during times of the day if you don't want to make it available. The behaviors that we're focused on really relate to what are your goals for your students. So it could be related to course completion, time on task, student retention, and even return on investment. It really just depends on what it is you're focused to. And we look at what you're focused to, create milestones around that students earn to move up the leaderboard. And then we create very seamless, customized, interesting environments for them to interact with. So the students in this case are being rewarded for logging in and for having perfect attendance and even creating and setting goals for themselves. So a use case, if we're just to think about attendance and ways that we could use the platform to increase attendance, students could earn a badge for showing up to school three days in a row. By doing that, their avatar automatically matures. A charitable donation can be made in their name automatically when they earn this milestone. And as they hit goals that they set for themselves, they'll move up the leaderboard and have bragging rights, and ultimately SMS notification to parents that have opted into it, and emails home, which we support now. So if you'd like to see how this system can increase the frequency of the target behaviors that are important to you, to your parents, to your clients, to increase renewals, whatever it is that your goals are, please contact me at jbauer@uboost.com or at the number that you see on the screen. And I look forward to talking to you. Thanks.